This is the HTML app main program. It starts at label LG, where it checks to see if the game number is equal to the was game number. If they're equal, it goes to label LH down here. If they're not equal, it continues on and sets those two equal so it won't come through here a second time. It sets tall to 410, wide to 1010, and the upper left-hand corner to 00. Well, that's the entire canvas. It sets the color to 970, the canvas to number 1, the background canvas, and does a rectangle fill of the entire canvas. Then for initialization, it also sets the first 20 values of used to 0. This is fill numeric 20 at used with 0. That's to make sure that all the options are set to off when it starts. Well, then it sets the note to 91. That will be put in the blue box. Sets the canvas to 2, which is the normal canvas. And then it's going to make the black box down here. It's going to be 25 tall, 63 wide, and its position will be 10.5. There, the color black, and then it will do the rectangle fill. That's the black box that's going to later receive the word return. Well, then it makes that a clickable box and assigns it click number 5. Well, the very next thing it does is it says, if click number 5 has not been clicked, I'm going to go to LI, which is down here. But now if it has been clicked, it's to return to the main page and therefore shut down the app. And here we see it sets the app pick to 0, meaning no app has been picked. It does a clack which removes all clickable areas that HTML app might have set up. Then it undoes the video and the other HTML things that it set on, and this very last thing it does is it makes sure that the red stripe is back on again, and then it exits. Well, otherwise it was going to run it and it's going to come down here, so I'm going to up the screen. Here we see all the things it's going to run, but first it puts the word return into the black box, changes the XY position, makes the color bright red, the font bold 12 point. Well, here's all the routines it's going to run. All of them are in subprogram 8. First one it runs is tab 12, which where it selects the options to be off or on. Then it's going to do number 7, show the imported movie. Next, show the imported picture. Play the imported sound. Replace the heading. Remove the red stripe. Put text on the web page. Put a link on the web page. Build and put a table on the web page. Those are all the routines it's going to run, and then it's going to exit. Well, that's the HTML app main program.